All right, so I gotta ask you, you notice something different about my water bottle right here? Notice something different? Have you ever had a water bottle that you needed to plug in and charge? I mean, how interesting is that? A water bottle that you have to actually charge. Again, a water bottle that you can charge. I've never had one in my life. What is this world coming to when you get a water bottle that you have to actually charge? Now, it's so much cooler than that. If you guys have never seen these LARQ water bottles, they're the next step up. I usually would rock with this one right here, but not anymore. What do I want this one for? It doesn't charge. But this one right here is made of the same material, stainless steel, 100% stainless steel, but there's a kicker. Not only does it charge, it actually cleans and purifies the water for you. So, yeah, I mean, you're not going to be going out there and filling this up with like lake water or anything like that. And honestly, it doesn't have that type of filtration system. What this is it's going to give you the complete comfortability of actually filling it up with tap water and not getting that chlorine type taste. Yeah, so you can actually drink tap water like you're drinking filtered water, because that's what it's going to do for you with this filter right here. Now, this filter is going to last you a long time. It's going to last you about 20 gallons of water that's going through before you're going to need to replace that filter, but it is super easy to replace. You just twist this right here and there's your filter right there. I just installed this filter yesterday, so I got at least another 19 gallons to go. Oh, and by the way, it tracks your water. So I am no longer worried about doing this. Why? Because not all tap water, especially if you're a full-time RVer, you never want to do this. You have so many filters out there because not all campgrounds are created equal when it comes to the water purification. Yeah, trust me, I've had water that has been brown. You don't want that yet. So I never, ever use tap water until now. And the other cool thing is just 2 ice cubes in here will keep this cold for over 24 hours. Because I have done that and it's been cold and I forgot to finish it within 24 hours. It came back the next morning or the next day, drank some and it's like, oh, this is still cold. So I can honestly tell you that it will stay cold for over 24 hours. Guys, I know that this is probably a little bit more expensive than just going out there and getting a water bottle at any store there is. But this water bottle right here will save you time. This water bottle right here will actually purifies and cleans itself by just pressing this button. You press this button, particularly if you're going to other countries, like a country south of us, that you shouldn't drink the water. This has an adventure mode where it's going to clean out those impurities in the water and you can drink the water there because it's going to filter it for you. So this is a great travel companion. So if you're going to different countries, do not leave this at home. It's going to save you from Montezuma's revenge, right? And we all know what that is, and we don't want that to enter into our lives. We want to be saved from Montezuma's revenge. But it takes about a minute to purify and clean this. It's going to get all the chlorine out of the it's going to get that chlorine out of the water, so it gets that nasty taste that you get sometimes from tap water. It takes just a minute and then the magic starts to happen. All right, you ready for this? This is the magic right here. You can go and it has an app that connects to your water bottle. I'm going to put the app right here, this picture of this app. It connects to your water bottle so that you can see, okay, I need to change the filter. The filter is getting there. Or I can actually purify my water in normal mode. Like I was mentioning, you get normal, you get aggressive, and you get adventure mode. Adventure is when you're traveling and you don't want to mess around with the impurities in the water. So you can change that. It keeps track of how much water you've drinking for the day. So as we go throughout the day, you can see, I'm going to start drinking. Just by the Bluetooth, it's going to add that water. Just refresh the screen, or you just wait, because it eventually will do that. I just sped it up a little bit by going to a different section, and then there you go. You drank that much water. I just drank 1.6 ounces of water. It tracks it so you can get your health. You know exactly how much water that you need. It's going to help you when you're trying to hit your water goals. You're not going to be guessing anymore. You're not going to be like, how many did I do? No, it tracks all that for you. If you ever thought that water can't be improved upon, water is water, and water is always going to be the way it is. Well, now it doesn't improve the water, it improves how you drink it. So again, if you've never seen a bottle that plugs in, well, now you have. And now might be the time that you need to up your water game for sure.